Hi, it's Amy with WTI. I am so in love with this beautiful enameled cast iron grill pan by La Cuisine. It's so unique from the other cast iron pans that I own, and I just want to share a few of the things that make this so special. First of all, these handles are adorable. They are a patented design that gives you a very nice, comfortable, stable grip. You do need to use pot holders to grab the handles when coming out of the oven or using on the stove top. It's a little over 11 by 10 inches in size, and I so appreciate how it fits 4 large grilled cheese. That's just perfect for my family. I just love this red porcelain enamel coating. It's got such a pretty shine to it, definitely an eye catcher. Cleaning is pretty easy, and unlike a traditional cast iron pan, this doesn't need to be seasoned. It wipes clean, and I only use a little bit of oil to lightly coat it if I'm not going to be using it for a while. This brand sells the enameled oval Dutch oven, the brazier, and round Dutch oven that makes up a very nice set. I just love using this La Cuisine cast iron grill pan to cook everything from steaks to grilled cheeses. It's beautiful. It enhances flavor and cooks so evenly. I just love how it makes my food taste. And you can't beat that it's a family-owned business that truly cares about top-notch quality. I am super happy with this. I think you will be too, but that's just my point of view.